Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel, and if you are new to the channel, I welcome you too. My name is Obule Godwin, aka Niger Trucker. I'm a trucker from Nigeria, and today I'm taking you to trucking industry on how to fix your tires. As a Nigerian trucker, you need to know how to fix your tire manually because you might get stuck on the highway and you need to change your tire to the spare one. And imagine you cannot do that and you have a lot of goods which cost a lot of money. You're going to lose them because of armed robbery. You're going to lose the truck as well. So you need to know how to fix your tires so that you don't lose anything. But this way you can help the truck company you work with. So just like we lay our life before every other person in the country. We drivers are just helpers. We help people grow. We help people get their expected goods. So that is what we do. You don't have to be a rookie. You don't have to be inexperienced to be a trucker. You must be experienced to be a trucker, and you must do it effortlessly. We don't take shit. We don't take no excuses. Everything you do it with all your mind because that is what you have signed to do. And I'm going to take the tire fixing step by step so that you can fix it by yourself and hit back the road if something of that nature happens. So we don't pray it happens, but just in case it happens, you don't have to panic. So stay tuned while I show you everything. Alright man, this is another face of the leg. I want to show you how to fix a tire manually so you don't get stuck on the highway. It is a minor. To us, Dangote drivers, it is a minor fault. So we don't take it as anything. We do it effortlessly. So this is what I'm going to show you now. We do it like this, just nothing. You can see the tire has two faces. When you want to put the inner one, you turn it this way. Look at me. You turn it this way, you make an opening for the tire. So it goes in freely. Are you watching me? Look at it. Do you see this? Can you see this? When you look straight and you see something like this, what you're going to do is to lift your jack up to give it more pressure so that the axle is going to go up a bit higher so it can free the rim. Yeah. Look at me. You're going to see this go up now.
While I was fixing my tire, my boss at the workshop, an Indian boss, Mr. Rajel, he visited where I was fixing my tire and asked if I needed his assistance. I told him no. He's a good man.
Alright people, this is my boss. Yeah, this is my boss in Dangote's workshop. Hey, Mr. Rajel. Yeah, that's my boss. Thank you.
You need my help?
No, you don't have to dirty yourself, boss.
No problem. It's all worked
People, it is time to fix the wheel nut. As you can see, while you fix your wheel nut, make sure the two tire is mounted and balanced very well. And you can see under the truck, I mounted a jack under there, and the jack is tension. Make sure your jack is tension so that the wheel bolt is going to balance while you fix your wheel nut. Stay tuned while you get everything I'm doing under this truck. Please, while you watch, make sure you subscribe to my channel,
Time to fix the
drop
wheel
a like, share my video so that other people who love trucking might join this channel. Do subscribe, please, I beg of you. Yeah, it is not easy being a trucker, and in Nigeria we make sure we have all the experience before taking the wheel as a trucker. So this is what it is all about. Yeah. Stay tuned while you see the complete video. At times, if you don't want your tire to roll, like you can see in this video, the tire is somehow rolling. If you don't want your tire to roll like this, you can put your handbrake, or you tension your brake. You make sure the brake is on, so that your tire wouldn't be rolling this way.
This is your waste spanner, this is your tire lever, and this is the pipe. And now we are going through the final locking of the wheel bolt. If you want to lock your boat, this is what you do. You put it this way. This is you locking your boat. You take your longer lever, you put it this way. You draw it backward. You lock your boat to make sure it is very locked, because that's your life. And one tip is, come closer. One tip is, I want to show you is, come closer, show them the tires. Now this is the wheel bolt. If you are locking it for the first time, you have to lock this one first. Then the next thing you do is to go the opposite and lock the downward, so that you don't have to give you problem while you lock them. So I'm done locking this one. I'm going to lock this one now, so that the thing will be equal measurement. The rim will balance on the axle. Can you see that? After that, you can begin locking them one after each. Something like this. You make sure that all of them are locked. Can you see me? Something like this. All right, guys. I think that's all. All about this tire locking video. See you next time on my video.